ಕಡಲಿಗೆ ಹಾರಿ ಧುಮುಕಿದ ಒಲಿಯುವ ಕಡಲಿಗೆ ಹಾರಿ ಧುಮುಕಿದ ಹಾರಿ ಧುಮುಕಿದ ಹಾರಿ ಧುಮುಕಿದ ತೆರೆಗಳ ಸೀಳಿದ ಈಜಿದ ನುಗ್ಗಿದ ಮೊರೆಯುವ ಕಡಲಿಗೆ ಹಾರಿ ಧುಮುಕಿದ ಹಾರಿ ಧುಮುಕಿದ ಹಾರಿ ಧುಮುಕಿದ
ತೆರೆಗಳ ಸೀಳಿದ ಈಜಿದ ನುಗ್ಗಿದ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಬಂಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೂರಿದ
ಮಾನೆತ್ತರ ಬೆಳೆದ ಬೆಳಕಿನ ಗೋಪುರವಾದ ಮಾನೆತ್ತರ ಬೆಳೆದ ಬೆಳಕಿನ ಗೋಪುರವಾದ ಆ ಧ್ರುವ ಮಂಡಲದಿಂದ ಆ ಧ್ರುವ ಮಂಡಲದಿಂದ
Sisters and brothers of America, it fills my heart with joy unspeakable to rise in response to the warm and cordial welcome which you have given us.
ದಕ್ಷಿಣೇಶ್ವರದ ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ಕೋಶಾಗಾರ
ಪೂರ್ವ ಪಶ್ಚಿಮಕ್ಕೆ ತಂತಿಯ ಹಾಯಿಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟನು ಬೆಳಕಿನ ಆಹಾರ
ದಕ್ಷಿಣೇಶ್ವರದ ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ಕೋಶಾಗಾರ
ಪೂರ್ವ ಪಶ್ಚಿಮಕ್ಕೆ ತಂತಿಯ ಹಾಯಿಸಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟನು ಬೆಳಕಿನ ಆಹಾರ
ಕೊಲಂಬೋದಿಂದ ನೋರದ ತನಕವು ಇವನದೆ ಮಿಂಚಿನ ತೇರು ಕೊಲಂಬೋದಿಂದ ನೋರದ ತನಕವು ಇವನದೆ ಮಿಂಚಿನ ತೇರು ಇವನಡಿಗಳ ನುಡಿಗಳ ಸ್ಪರ್ಶಕ್ಕೆ ಘಟ್ಟನೆ ಹತ್ತದೆ ಇದ್ದವರಾರು ವಜ್ರದಮೈ ಉಕ್ಕಿನ ನರಕುಡಿ ಮಿಂಚಿನ ಕಣ್ಣು ಗುಡುಗಿನ ದನಿ ಹೊನಲಿನ ನಡೆಯದೆ ಬೆಳದಿಂಗಳ ಮಣ್ಣು ವಜ್ರದಮೈ ಉಕ್ಕಿನ ನರಕುಡಿ ಮಿಂಚಿನ ಕಣ್ಣು ಗುಡುಗಿನ ದನಿ ಹೊನಲಿನ ನಡೆಯದೆ ಬೆಳದಿಂಗಳ ಮಣ್ಣು ಕವಿ ಋಷಿ ಯೋಗಿ ಸಂತ ಕವಿ ಋಷಿ ಯೋಗಿ ಸಂತ ಲೋಕಾದ್ಯಂತ ನಡೆಯುವ ಸಂತ ಕವಿ ಋಷಿ ಯೋಗಿ ಸಂತ ಲೋಕಾದ್ಯಂತ ನಡೆಯುವ ಸಂತ ಆ ಧ್ರುವ ಮಂಡಲದಿಂದ ಆ ಧ್ರುವ ಮಂಡಲದಿಂದ ಓ ಬಂದ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರು ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ಓ ಬಂದ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರು ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ಆ ಧ್ರುವ ಮಂಡಲದಿಂದ ಆ ಧ್ರುವ ಮಂಡಲದಿಂದ ಆ ಧ್ರುವ ಮಂಡಲದಿಂದ ಓ ಬಂದ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರು ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ
Swami Vivekananda had a special place in the history of the world as a great orator. He was a multi-talented personality. Swami Vivekananda was a great musician, musicologist, a composer and a poet. He excelled in at least 4 musical instruments: the sitar, esraj, tabla and the pakhawas. His competency as a musician was such that his name would have withstood the test of time as a musician alone had he not become a monk. He was a keen exponent of Hindustani, Dhrupad, Ghazal and Western music. Another interesting fact to ponder here is that we could connect various events of Swamiji's life and work with music. just like we do with dates. There is a song for every occasion in his life. Over the next 2 hours, we offer our humble salutations to his lotus feet, drawing from the songs Swamiji sung, composed and liked, as well as songs about Swamiji in Bengali, Hindi, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, English and Sanskrit. This is an attempt to narrate the story of Swami Vivekananda through music. Swamiji was born in Bengal in 1863. Bengal is a land of music and mystics. Ma Kali, Durga is in the heart of every Bengali, and so are the songs written by mystic poets like Rama Prasada and Kamalakanta.
ಪಾಳು ಬಿದ್ದಿಹುದಲ್ಲೋ ಕೃಷಿಗೈಯಲು ಕೂಡ ತಿಳಿಯದಿರುವೆ, ಕೃಷಿಗೈಯಲು ಕೂಡ ತಿಳಿಯದಿರುವೆ. ನಿನ್ನ ಬಾಳಿನ ಹೊಲವು ಪಾಳು ಬಿದ್ದಿಹುದಲ್ಲೋ ಕೃಷಿಗೈಯಲು ಕೂಡ ತಿಳಿಯದಿರುವೆ, ಕೃಷಿಗೈಯಲು ಕೂಡ ತಿಳಿಯದಿರುವೆ. ಎಂಥ ಹೊನ್ನನು ಬೆಳೆದು ತೆಗೆಯಬಹುದಾಗಿತ್ತೋ, ಹೊನ್ನನು ಬೆಳೆದು ತೆಗೆಯಬಹುದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಕೆಲವು ದಿನ ಮೈ ಮುರಿದು ದುಡಿದಿದ್ದರೆ, ಕೆಲವು ದಿನ ಮೈ ಮುರಿದು ದುಡಿದಿದ್ದರೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಬಾಳಿನ ಹೊಲವು ಕಾಡು ಬಿದ್ದಿಹುದಲ್ಲೋ ಕೃಷಿಗೈಯಲು ಕೂಡ ತಿಳಿಯದಿರುವೆ, ಕೃಷಿಗೈಯಲು ಕೂಡ ತಿಳಿಯದಿರುವೆ. ಶ್ರೀನಾಮವೆಂತೆಂಬ ಬೇಲಿಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿನಿ ಕಾಯ್ದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋ, ಈಗಲಾದರೂ ತಾಯ ಶ್ರೀನಾಮವೆಂತೆಂಬ ಬೇಲಿಯ ಕಟ್ಟಿನಿ ಕಾಯ್ದುಕೊಳ್ಳೋ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬಲವಾದ ಕಾವಲಿನ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬಲವಾದ ಕಾವಲಿನ್ನಾವುದಿದೆ, ಮೃತ್ಯುವು ನಿನ್ನ ಬಳಿ ಬರಲಾರನೋ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಬಲವಾದ ಹೊಲವ ಹೊಲದೊಡೆಯನಿಗೊಪ್ಪಿಸುವ ಮುನ್ನವೇ ಇಂದು ನಾಳೆಯೋ ಹೊಲವ ಹೊಲದೊಡೆಯನಿಗೊಪ್ಪಿಸುವ ಮುನ್ನವೇ ಎಚ್ಚೆತ್ತು ಬೆಳೆಯ ತೆಗೆಯೋ ಗುರುವಿತ್ತ ಮಂತ್ರವನು ಬೀಜವಾಗಿಸಿ ಬಿತ್ತಿ ಪ್ರೇಮವಾರಿಯ ಹೊಯ್ದು ಹಸನುಗೊಳಿಸೋ ಗುರುವಿತ್ತ ಮಂತ್ರವನು ಬೀಜವಾಗಿಸಿ ಬಿತ್ತಿ ಪ್ರೇಮವಾರಿಯ ಹೊಯ್ದು ಹಸನುಗೊಳಿಸೋ ನಿನಗೆ ಈ ಕೆಲಸವು ಕಷ್ಟವಾದರೆ ಹೇಳು ನಿನಗೆ ಈ ಕೆಲಸವು ಕಷ್ಟವಾದರೆ ಹೇಳು ರಾಮ ಪ್ರಸಾದನಿದೋ ನೆರವಿಗಿಹನೋ ನಿನಗೆ ಈ ಕೆಲಸವು ಕಷ್ಟವಾದರೆ ಹೇಳು ರಾಮ ಪ್ರಸಾದನಿದೋ ನೆರವಿಗಿಹನೋ ನಿನ್ನ ಬಾಳಿನ ಹೊಲವು ಪಾಳು ಬಿದಿಹುದಲ್ಲೋ ಕೃಷಿಗೈಯಲು ಕೂಡ ತಿಳಿಯದಿರುವೆ ಕೃಷಿಗೈಯಲು ಕೂಡ ತಿಳಿಯದಿರುವೆ ಎಂಥ ಹೊನ್ನನು ಬೆಳೆದು ತೆಗೆಯಬಹುದಾಗಿತ್ತೋ ಹೊನ್ನನು ಬೆಳೆದು ತೆಗೆಯಬಹುದಾಗಿತ್ತೋ ಕೆಲವು ದಿನ ಮೈ ಮುರಿದು ದುಡಿದಿದ್ದರೆ ಕೆಲವು ದಿನ ಮೈ ಮುರಿದು ದುಡಿದಿದ್ದರೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಬಾಳಿನ ಹೊಲವು ಪಾಳು ಬಿದಿಹುದಲ್ಲೋ ಕೃಷಿಗೈಯಲು ಕೂಡ ತಿಳಿಯದಿರುವೆ ಕೃಷಿಗೈಯಲು ಕೂಡ ತಿಳಿಯದಿರುವೆ ಕೃಷಿಗೈಯಲು ಕೂಡ ತಿಳಿಯದಿರುವೆ
Bengal is my birthplace, the land of bowl singers who bring the most profoundest of truths in simple melody. My life is also like a bowl song, wandering, searching and seeking. At my birth, my father had taken a horoscope of me, of my life, but he wouldn't tell me what it was. My father and mother fasted for years so that I would be born. In my youth, it was a matter of astonishment that this happened every day for a long time. As soon as I went to bed, two ideals appeared before me every night. One vision presented me as a man of endless wealth and innumerable servants and dependents, high rank and dignity, great pomp and power. And the other vision, I felt as if I had given up everything of the life and was leading a life of a renunciate, putting on a loincloth and eating whatever was available at ease, sleeping under a banyan tree and solely depending on God's will. These two visions, according to which I could mold my life, appeared before me. But I never understood the meaning of these visions. But a monk who was living across Ganga in a temple of Dakshineshwar, he understood it long before I did.
করলি কেন? আমার অনেক কাজ। মায়ের কাছে কতদিন কেঁদেছি, মা নরেনকে এনে দাও। মা বলেছে তুই আসবি তবে প্রাণটা ঠান্ডা হলো। তোর সঙ্গে আমার অনেক সম্বন্ধ, তুই কি বুঝবি? রাখুন ওসব মাথা খেয়াল, পাগলামির একটা সীমা থাকে, আপনার তাও নেই। তুই শালা কি বুঝবি? তোকে আমি বিশ্বনাথ দত্তের ছেলে বলে দেখি, তোকে আমি দেখি সাক্ষাৎ নারায়ণ। আমার কাজের জন্য দেহ ধারণ করে এসেছিস, কাজ ফুরিয়ে যাবি, চলে যাবি। তুমি কি কেন এসেছো?
আমি বিশ্বনাথ, তোমার কাজের সাহায্যের জন্য পৃথিবীতে দেহ ধারণ করে এসেছি। আমি বিশ্বনাথ, তোমার কাজের সাহায্যের জন্য পৃথিবীতে দেহ ধারণ করে এসেছি।
शाहि उत्संगा नरहरे अंग ऋषि भुवनादवतीर्णा पृथ्वी धन्य ऋषि भुवनादवतीर्णा पृथ्वी धन्य त्वं गुरुदेव सुनंदा विवेकानंद ऋषि भुवनादवतीर्णा
जनस्य विश्रान्ते
दीनजनस्य विश्रान्ते सुनिरस्तभ्रान्ते दीनजनस्य विश्रान्ते सुनिरस्तभ्रान्ते ऋषि भुवनादवतीर्णा पृथ्वी धन्य ऋषि भुवनादवतीर्णा गुरुदेव सुनंदा विवेकानंद ऋषि भुवनादवतीर्णा ऋषि भुवनादवतीर्णा पृथ्वी धन्य ऋषि भुवनादवतीर्णा पृथ्वी धन्य त्वं गुरुदेव सुनंदा विवेकानंद ऋषि भुवनादवतीर्णा
I have such a memory. When I was 2 years old, I used to play with my psyche as being a Vairagi, clothed in ashes and kaupina. And when a sadhu came to beg, they used to lock me up inside, upstairs, to prevent me from giving too much away. And when I was naughty, they used to say, "Dear, dear, so many austerities, and yet Shiva sent me this demon instead of a good soul." And when I was rebellious, they would empty a can of water over my head. And I used to be all right. Always. Always. Even now, when I feel mischievous, that word keeps me straight. Shiva, Shiva.
Shiva, 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 Shiva.
ಗಿಡದಾಗ ಧೀಗಿಡದಾಗ ಧೀಗಿನ ಕಸಿ ಕದಗದಿಗಿನಗಿಂತ ನಾನು ಧಾದಿಂತ ಕದಗದಿಗಿನತ ಧ ಕದಗದಿಗಿನಗಿಂತ ನಾನು ಧಾದಿಂತ ಕದಗದಿಗಿನತ ಧ ಕದಗದಿಗಿನಗಿಂತ ನಾನು ಧಾದಿಂತ ಕದಗದಿಗಿನತ ಧೈಯ ಧೈಯ
Thayya, 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 thayya.
ता थैया नाचे भोला, ता थैया नाचे भोला। बम बब बाजेगा, बम बब बाजेगा।
ता थैया नाचे भोला, ता थैया नाचे भोला।
डिम्मी 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 डमरू बाजे,
डिमी 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 डमरू बाजे,
डिम्मी 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 डमरू बाजे,
डिमी 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 डमरू बाजे,
डिम्मी 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 डमरू बाजे।
डिमी 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 डमरू बाजे।
तुली छे कपाल मार, तुली छे कपाल मार।
ता थैया नाचे भोला, ता थैया नाचे भोला।
गरजे गंगा जटा माझे,
गरजे गंगा जटा माझे,
उगरे अनल त्रिशूल राजे। गरजे गंगा जटा माझे, उगरे अनल त्रिशूल राजे। धक 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 मौली बंध, धक 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 मौली बंध, धक 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 मौली बंध, धक 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 मौली बंध। जुले शशांक भार, जुले शशांक भार।
ता थैया नाचे भोला, ता थैया नाचे भोला।
बम बब बाजेगा, बम बब बाजेगा।
ता थैया नाचे भोला, ता थैया नाचे भोला। ता थैया नाचे भोला,
ಕತ್ತಿ ಕದಗದಿಗಿನಗಿಂತ ನಾನು ಧಾದಿಂತ ಕದಗದಿಗಿನತ ಧ ಕದಗದಿಗಿನಗಿಂತ ನಾನು ಧಾದಿಂತ ಕದಗದಿಗಿನತ ಧ ಕದಗದಿಗಿನಗಿಂತ ನಾನು ಧಾದಿಂತ ಕದಗದಿಗಿನತ. This was one of the songs composed by Swami Vivekananda. Swamiji had this special connection with Shiva throughout his life. He has written and composed many songs on Lord Shiva. Swamiji learned classical music from Ustad Ahmad Khan Sahab. Khan Sahab also taught him great compositions from Hindi, Persian and Urdu languages. Ustad Ujir Khan Sahab, Pandit Kanayalal Dendi, Pandit Jagannath Mishra were his other teachers who enhanced his musical talents.
At the beginning of the 19th century, it was almost feared that religion was at an end. And this skepticism reached me. And for a moment I felt as if I had to give up all hopes of religion. In the city of Kolkata, I wandered from place to place in search of religion. And everywhere I went, I asked the lecturer after hearing one big lecture, "Sir, have you seen God? Sir, have you seen God?"
तेरे पास रे, मैं तो तेरे मिली जाए, खोज रहे तो तुरंत मिली जाए, एक फल की तलाश में खोज रहे तो तुरंत मिली जाए, एक फल की तलाश में। कहत कबीर सुनो भाई साधो, साधो बंदे, कहत कबीर सुनो भाई साधो, मैं तो हूँ विश्वास में। कहत कबीर सुनो भाई साधो, मैं तो हूँ विश्वास में, मैं तो हूँ विश्वास में। कहा ढूंढ रे बंदे, मैं तो तेरे पास रे, मैं तो तेरे पास रे। ओ बंदे 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 बंदे
The only man who said, yes, I have seen God, was Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. And not only so, he also said, I'll put you on the way of seeing him too. For the first time, I had met a man who said that he has seen God and that religion was the reality to be felt. I don't see a more marvelous miracle than the way this mad Brahmin used to handle minds like a lump of clay, breaking, molding and remolding them and filling them with ideas by a mere touch. I can't think or talk of Sri Ramakrishna without being overwhelmed. Oh, his love for me.
Ami jani ma, दीन दयामयी, अमी जानी माँ दीन दयामयी, अमी जानी माँ दीन दयामयी, तुम्ही दुर्गा में ते दुखो हरा, अमर तुम ही तरा, अमर तुम ही तरा, अमर तुम ही तरा, तुम्ही गुण परात परमा तारा, अमी जानी माँ दीन दयामयी, अमी जानी माँ दीन दयामयी, तुम्ही दुर्गा में थे दुख हरा, अमर तुम ही तारा। চলে তুমি স্থলে মা মা
তুমি চলে তুমি স্থলে
তুমি অদ্যমূলে গো মা
তুমি চলে তুমি স্থলে তুমি অদ্যমূলে গো মা
অছো সর্ব ঘটে অর্ঘ্য ফুটে
অছো সর্বতে অর্ঘ্য ফুটে
সাকার আকার
আকার
নিরাকার মা তুমি তারা অমর মা তুমি তারা তুমি সন্ধ্যা তুমি গায়ত্রী মা মা
তুমি সন্ধ্যা তুমি গায়ত্রী
তুমি জগধাত্রী গো মা
তুমি সন্ধ্যা তুমি গায়ত্রী তুমি জগদ্ধাত্রী গো মা
অকুলের ত্রাণ কর্ত্রী
অকুলের ত্রাণ কর্ত্রী
সদা শিবে
শিবে
মনোহর মা তুমি তারা অমর মা তুমি তারা
তুমি ত্রিগুণাকার পরাৎ পরা
মা তুমি তারা অমর মা তুমি তারা অমর মা তুমি তারা অমর মা তুমি তারা অমর মা তুমি তারা
Well, this was the song my master taught me on that decisive night when I learned the glory of the Divine Mother. Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa was the only man who believed in me uniformly throughout. Even my mother and brothers did not do so. Yet, I fought for so long, my 6 years fight. It was my desire to remain absorbed in samadhi for 3 or 4 days, and only once in a while coming down to the sense plane to eat a little food.
ছি তুই এত বড় আধার তোর মুখে ওই কথা আমি ভেবেছিলাম কোথায় তুই একটা বিশাল বট গাছের মতো হবি তোর ছায়ায় হাজার হাজার লোক আশ্রয় পাবে তা না হয় তুই কিনা নিজের মুক্তি চাস
I had to stand between my two ideals. On one hand, I had to see my brothers and mother starve unto death. And on the other hand, I believed that his ideas were for the good of India and to the world, and that they needed to be preached and worked out. That made me go from Himalayas to Cape Camorin, from Indus to Brahmaputra. Many a times I have been in the jaws of death, footsore and weary, starving. For days I had no food and could walk no further. But the sympathy of my master brought me blessings and hope.
సుత్తవేల్పులు లేచి రండి, సుత్తవేల్పులు లేచి రండి, యుక్త పదవుల మరల పొంది. సుత్తవేల్పులు లేచి రండి, యుక్త పదవుల మరల పొంది.
సప్తలోకములేల మనుచు,
సప్తలోకములేల మనుచు, గీతవాణిని జగతి చాటిన జయ వివేకానంద గురువర భువన మంగళకారి. జయ వివేకానంద గురువర భువన మంగళకారి.
శిరసమాధి శిఖరి నుండి, శిరసమాధి శిఖరి నుండి,
నరుల సేవకు దిగిన నరవర జయ వివేకానంద గురువర భువన మంగళకారి. జయ వివేకానంద గురువర భువన మంగళకారి.
విశ్వవ్యాపక ప్రేమమూర్తివి, విశ్వవ్యాపక ప్రేమమూర్తివి, విశ్వద్యోతక పరమ జ్ఞానివి, విశ్వముక్తి సమర్పితాత్మవు, విశ్వముక్తి సమర్పితాత్మవు, విశ్వవంద్యా జయము జయము. జయ వివేకానంద గురువర భువన మంగళకారి. శిరసమాధి శిఖరి నుండి,
నరుల సేవకు దిగిన నరవర జయ వివేకానంద గురువర భువన మంగళకారి.
భువన
మంగళకారి, భువన మంగళకారి.
It was true that I used to sleep under a banyan tree with a bowl of food given to me by a kindly peasant. But it is equally true that sometimes I was a guest at a palace of a great Maharaja, and a slave girl was appointed to wave a peacock feather fan over me all night long. That journey taught me many lessons. And one such lesson I learned at the Khetri of Rajaputana from a courtesan in the palace of Raja Ajit Singh.
Raja Ajit Singh was a trained classical singer. Having known Swamiji's musical genius, the Raja was organizing musical concerts for which Swamiji was a guest of honor. One evening, Raja had organized the concert of his courtesan. The courtesan had specifically requested the presence of Swamiji during her performance. Raja sent an invitation to Swamiji.
I'm sorry. I cannot accept this invitation. My sannyasa dharma doesn't permit me to witness or watch a low-caste woman sing or perform.
एक लोहा पूजा मेरा खते, एक रहते व्याध घरे परो, एक लोहा पूजा मेरा खते, एक जिसके मन द्विधा नहीं है, दुह की कंचन करो। प्रभु मेरे अवगुण चित्त ना धरो, चित्त ना धरो। प्रभु मेरे अवगुण चित्त ना धरो। प्रभु मेरे अवगुण चित्त ना धरो। समदर्शी है नाम तिहारो, समदर्शी है नाम तिहारो। चाहे तो पार करो। प्रभु मेरे अवगुण चित्त ना धरो। एक नदिया एक नार कहावत, मैलो नीर बरो। एक नदिया एक नार कहावत, मैलो नीर बरो। जब मिले दोनों एक वर्ण भय, जब मिले दोनों एक वर्ण भय। सुरसरी नाम परो, सुरसरी नाम परो। एक जीव एक ब्रह्म कहावत, सूरदास जगरो। अज्ञानी से बेधो रे, अज्ञानी से बेधोवे। ज्ञानी का है वेद करो। प्रभु मेरे अवगुण चित्त ना धरो, चित्त ना धरो। प्रभु मेरे अवगुण चित्त ना धरो। प्रभु मेरे अवगुण चित्त ना धरो। समदर्शी है नाम तिहारो, समदर्शी है नाम तिहारो। चाहे तो पार करो। प्रभु मेरे प्रभु प्रभु मेरे अवगुण चित्त ना धरो।
I traveled for 3.5 years, and what did I see? I saw millions and millions of people living the life of brutes. I traveled across India in search of funds, but do you think people of India were ready to spend their money? Many and many in India did not understand me. How could they? Poor men. Their thoughts never strayed beyond their everyday routine business of eating and drinking. I did not depend on anyone in India. Gurudeva showed me the way out. And I had the blessings of the Divine Mother. When I told her that I had plans of going to the West, she not only blessed me, but she also said that that is what I was destined to.
संसद के आरंभ होने की सुबह हम सभी एक भवन में इकट्ठा हुए जिसका नाम था आर्ट गैलरी। वहां एक भव्य शोभा यात्रा के साथ हम मंच की ओर बढ़े। कल्पना कीजिए, नीचे हॉल और ऊपर विशाल गलियारा ठसाठस भरा हुआ, 6000 स्त्री और पुरुषों से, जो कि उस देश की सर्वोत्तम संस्कृति के सूचक थे। और मंच पर थे संसार के सभी देशों के ज्ञानी लोग, और मैं, जिसने कभी लोगों के सामने नहीं बोला था, उसे आज इस प्रतिष्ठित सभा के समक्ष बोलना था।
Sisters and brothers of America, it fills my heart with joy, unspeakable, to rise in response to the warm and cordial welcome which you have given us. I thank you in the name of the most ancient order of the monks in the world. I thank you in the name of millions and millions of Hindu people of all classes and sects. I will quote to you, my brethren, a few lines from a hymn which I remember to have repeated from my earliest childhood, which is even now repeated by millions of human beings. As different streams having their sources in different places, all mingle their water in the sea. So, O Lord, the different paths which men take through different tendencies, various though they appear, crooked or straight, all lead to Thee.
भास्करम् इष्टममरनरवन्द्यम् मूर्तमहेश्वरमोज्ज्वलभास्करम् इष्टममरनरवन्द्यम् वन्दे वेदतनुमुच्चितगर्हित कामकाञ्चनबन्धम् वन्दे वेदतनुमुच्चितगर्हित कामकाञ्चनबन्धम् मूर्तमहेश्वरमोज्ज्वलभास्करम् इष्टममरनरवन्द्यम् मूर्तमहेश्वरमोज्ज्वलभास्करम् इष्टममरनरवन्द्यम् कटितटकौपीनवन्तम्
कोटिभानुकरदीप्तसिंहमहो कटितटकौपीनवन्तम्
अभिरभिहुङ्कारनादितदिन्मुख प्रचण्डताण्डवनृत्यम् अभिहुङ्कारनादितदिन्मुख प्रचण्डताण्डवनृत्यम् मूर्तमहेश्वरमोज्ज्वलभास्करम् इष्टममरनरवन्द्यम् मूर्तमहेश्वरमोज्ज्वलभास्करम् इष्टममरनरवन्द्यम्
कृपा कटाक्ष प्रेक्षणम् अघदल विदलन दक्षम्
मुक्ति मुक्ति कृपा कटाक्ष प्रेक्षणम् अघदल विदलन दक्षम्
बालचन्द्रधरमिन्दुवन्द्यमिह नौमि गुरु विवेकानन्दम् बालचन्द्रधरमिन्दुवन्द्यमिह नौमि गुरु विवेकानन्दम् मूर्तमहेश्वरमोज्ज्वल भास्करम् इष्टममर नरवन्द्यम् मूर्तमहेश्वरमोज्ज्वल भास्करम् इष्टममर नरवन्द्यम् वन्दे वेदतनुमुच्छ्रितगर्हित कामकाञ्चनवन्दम् वन्दे वेदतनुमुच्छ्रितगर्हित कामकाञ्चनवन्दम् मूर्तमहेश्वरमोज्ज्वल भास्करम् इष्टममर नरवन्द्यम् मूर्तमहेश्वरमोज्ज्वल भास्करम् इष्टममर नरवन्द्यम् इष्टममर नरवन्द्यम् इष्टममर नरवन्द्यम्
That speech of 5 minutes, consisting of 500 odd words, changed the destiny of India. Swamiji took the whole of the West by storm. For them, a superstar was born overnight. The newspapers reported, Vivekananda is undoubtedly the greatest figure in the Parliament of Religions. After hearing him, we feel how foolish it is to send missionaries to this learned nation. Never before had they seen a monk so handsome, who could speak near perfect English and give such revolutionary ideas. India was the last place on earth from where they could expect a monk like him. He was unique with his ideas and personality. Once, it so happened that in Detroit Presbyterian Church, while lecturing, he started chanting Ram Nam and enchanted the gathering.
Shri Ram Jai Jai Ram.
Shri Ram Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram Jai Jai Ram.
Shri Ram Jai
when there were no microphones or amplification of voice. Swamiji had to shout at the top of his voice to reach the last of the audience who had paid to hear him speak. He made 15 to 18 speeches a week, each speech 3 hours long. One can't imagine the condition of his throat.
You may not understand why a sannyasi should be sent to America, but it is necessary. Because the only claim you have to be recognized by the world is your religion. And good specimen of our religious men have to be sent abroad to give other nations an idea that India is not dead. Wake up the note, the song that had its birth far off in mountain caves and forests, whose calm no sigh for lust of fame and wealth could ever break. Sing high that note, Sannyasi bold. Say, Om Tat Sat Om.
Let darkness go, will the wisp that leads with blinking light to pile more gloom. Let darkness go, will the wisp that leads with blinking light to pile more gloom on gloom. This thirst for life forever quench it drags from birth to death and death to birth. The soul, he conquers all who conquers self. Know this and never yield. Sannyas in bold. Say Om Tat Sat Om. Om Tat Sat Om.
ಸಾಧುವೆ ಹಾಡು ಚಾಗಿಯ ಹಾಡನು ಹಾಡಿನಿಂದೆಚ್ಚರಿಸು ಮಲಗಿಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ತಾಯ್ನಾಡನು. ದೂರದಡವಿಯೊಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಲೌಕಿಕ ವಿಷಯ ವಾಸನೆ ಮುಟ್ಟದೋ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಗಿರಿಗುಹೆ ಕಂದರದ ಬಳಿ ಜಗದ ಗಲಿಬಿಲಿ ತಟ್ಟದೋ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮವು ಸುಳಿಯದೋ, ಮೇಗೆಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವವು ತಿಳಿಯದೋ. ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಕಾಂಚನವೆಂಬುವ ಆಸೆಗಳಿಂದ ಜನಿಸುವ ಭ್ರಾಂತಿಯ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆತ್ಮವು ಪಡೆದು ನಲಿಯುವುದು ನಿಜವಾಗಿಹ ಶಾಂತಿಯ. ನಂದಿ ಅರಿವಾನಂದ ವಾಹಿನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂತತ ಹರಿವುದೋ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಡೆಬಿಡದಿರದ ತೃಪ್ತಿಯ ಝರಿ ನಿರಂತರ ಸುರಿವುದೋ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಡಿದ ಹಾಡನುಲಿಯೈ ವೀರ ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಡಿದ ಹಾಡನುಲಿಯೈ ವೀರ ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿ. ಓಂ ತತ್ ಸತ್ அறுவடை விதை விதைத்தவன் பாவம் பாவத்தின் காரணம், மரமும் வளரவே வித்து காரணம் புண்ணியம் புண்ணியத்தின் காரணம். பிறந்த உடல் கொண்ட ஆன்ம வாழ்க்கையின் வலையை கண்டிதம் சுமப்பது, கட்டை மீறிய இருப்பவன் யார் கட்டு கட்டினை பெறுவது
என்று அறிந்தோர் சொல்லுவார், பெரும் தத்துவ ஞானிகள் கூறுவார். ஆயினும் ஏன் ஆன்ம என்பது நாமரூபங்களை கடந்தது. முக்தியும் பந்தங்கள் இல்லா ஆன்மா எல்லாம் விதிகளை கடந்தது. தத்துவமசி என்றறிந்து சாதுவனை பாடு தியாகத்தின் பாட்டினை, பாட்டில் எழுந்து படுத்து கிடந்தான் நம்முடைய தாய் நாட்டினை.
பரப்பு சித்தனை உலகம் அறியட்டும் பாடு சன்னியாசி, பரப்பு சித்தனை உலகம் அறியட்டும் பாடு சன்னியாசி. ஓம் தத் சத் కలుగని అందరికి అని కోరు నీవు ఎన్నడు, చెడుగు ఎన్నడు కలుగకుండని ఎవరికి నా వల్లను. దివిని ఎగిరెడు భువిని పరుగిడు సర్వలాత్మను నేనేగా, నా కనరకములాస భయముల నెల్ల చేసేద దూరమా.
నేను బ్రతుకని రాలని అది కర్మ నదిలో తేలని, పూలమాలల వేసి కొందరు పూజ చేయుచు మొక్కని. కాల సన్నిధోయ కొందరు ధూళి ధూళిలో తొలగని. అందరొక్కటి కాగ పొగడుదురెవరు పొగడక కొందురు, నింద నిందకులెల్ల చేరగ ఎవరు నిందితులగుదురు.
పెంచు బంధ బంధము ధీర కనుభోగించు సన్యాసి తెంచు బంధము ధీర కనుభోగించు సన్యాసి ఓం తత్సత్ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಚನ ದಾಸೆ ನೆಲೆಯಾಗಿರುವುದೋ ಸತ್ಯವೆಂಬುವುದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಳಿಯದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮವು ಇರುವುದೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಕ್ತಿಯು ನಾಚಿ ತೋರದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಳಿಯುವುದು ಭೋಗವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೆರೆಯದು ಮಾಯವಾಗಿರನಲ್ಲಿ ಭವರೋಗವು
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲಸದು ಚಾಗವು ಗಿಡವಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರದು ಯೋಗವು ಗಗನವೇ ಮನೆ ಹಸುರೆ ಹಾಸಿಗೆ ಮನೆಯು ಸಾಲುದೆ ಜಾಗಿಗೆ ಹಸಿಯೋ ಬಿಸಿಯೋ ವಿಧಿಯು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಆಹಾರ ಗಂಧವು ಯೋಗಿಗೆ ಏನು ತಿಂದರೆ ಏನು ಕುಡಿದರೆ ಏನು ಆತ್ಮಗೆ ಕೊರತೆಯೇ ಸರ್ವ ಪಾಪವ ತಿಂದು ತೇಗುವ ಗಂಗೆಗೆ ಕೊಳೆ ಕೊರತೆಯೇ
ಮಿಂಚೈ ನೀನು ಸಿಡಿಲೈ ಹೊರಗು ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿ ನೀನು ಮಿಂಚೈ ನೀನು ಸಿಡಿಲೈ ಹೊರಗು ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿ ಓಂ ತತ್ಸತ್ तो जाना कुछ ने किंतु लोग सब बाकी हंसे तुझको देख के हे महात्मा अंधे को क्या दिखे गणन ना कर मुक्त जाओ हर जगह हर गाँव तू सुख को मांग न दुख से टूट न अंधकार में राही
तू प्रकाश को दान दे संसार माया छोड़ दे ऐसे हर दिन कर्म शक्ति खत्म होने तक तुझा तू को छोड़कर आत्मा के अंदर शोध जा उठो उठो तुम साधु गाओ गाओ त्यागी गान को गीत गरज के ठान लेके मातृभूमि जगाओ तुम
तत्त्वमसि को समझ गाओ धीर सन्यासी तत्त्वमसि को समझ गाओ धीर सन्यासी ओम तत्सत्
The history of the world is a history of few men who had faith in themselves. That faith calls out the divinity within. All the great prophets, saints and seers of the world, what did they do? In one span of life, they lived the whole life of humanity. I believe that India will awake again. If anyone could, with all his heart, could love the people of its country. Bereft of the grace of affluence, downtrodden, ever starved, quarrelsome and envious, India needs the sacrifice of at least 1,000 of her men. Men, minds, and not brutes.
विवेकानन्दुनि सिंहगर्जनं भारत युवता विनुवा वज्रपातमिति अग्निमन्त्रमिति वज्रपातमिति अग्निमन्त्रमिति दिव्यतेजमिति कनुमा शक्तिपुञ्जमिति कनुमा विवेकानन्दुनि सिंहगर्जनं भारत युवता विनुमा वज्रपातमिति अग्निमन्त्रमिति दिव्यतेजमिति कनुमा शक्तिपुञ्जमिति कनुमा
రమ్ములు వజ్ర సంకల్పము వలెనోయ్
బలమే జీవనము ధైర్యమే మృత్యువు
బలమే జీవనము ధైర్యమే మృత్యువు
తిరిగి రోదనిక వలదోయ్ తిరిగి రోదనిక వలదోయ్ వివేకానందుని సింహగర్జనం భారత యువతా వినుమా వజ్రపాతమిది అగ్నిమంత్రమిది దివ్యతేజమిది కనుమా శక్తిపుంజమిది కనుమా
సర్వస్వము నీలో నిక్షిప్తము సకలం నీకు సంభవము
శక్తి సర్వస్వము నీలో నిక్షిప్తము సకలం నీకు సంభవము
ఆది పరాశక్తి అమృత పుత్ర
ఆది పరాశక్తి అమృత పుత్ర
ఆదమరచిని కనిదురపోకుమా ఉత్తిష్ట భారతదెంబా యువత
ఆత్మశ్రద్ధతో పదముందుకు ఇక ఉత్తిష్ట భారతదెంబా యువత
ఆత్మశ్రద్ధతో పదముందుకు
సంఖ్యలను ఛేదించు బంధాలను ఖండించు స్వామీజీ దీవెన వినుమా నిజ దివ్యత్వము కనుమా నిజ దివ్యత్వము కనుమా వివేకానందుని సింహగర్జనం భారత యువత వినుమా వజ్రపాతమిది అగ్నిమంత్రమిది దివ్యతేజమిది కనుమా శక్తిపుంజమిది కనుమా దివ్యతేజమిది కనుమా శక్తిపుంజమిది కనుమా
Swami Vivekananda was not a dry, boring sannyasi. He was an excellent storyteller. The frog in the well, that story was popularized by him. He was also a poet. He has written poems in Bengali and English. The cup, my play is done, Kali, my mother. During the year 1899, he was in Kashmir with his American disciples. That happened to coincide with the American Independence Day, the 4th of July. He decided to write a poem as a gift to them.
Behold, the dark clouds melt away. Behold, the dark clouds melt away.
Behold, the dark clouds melt away.
That gathered thick at night and hung so like a gloomy pall above the sky.
That gathered thick at night and hung so like a gloomy pall above the earth.
Before the magic touch, the world awakes.
Before thy magic touch, the world awakes.
The birds in chorus sing. The flowers raise their star-like crowns, dew set, and wave thee welcome fair.
Behold, the dark clouds melt away that gathered thick at night and hung so like a gloomy pall above the earth. Before thy magic touch, the world awakes. The birds in chorus sing. The flowers raise their star-like crowns, dew set and wave thee welcome fair. The flowers raise their star-like crowns, dew set and wave thee welcome fair. The lakes are opening wide in love, their 100,000 lotus eyes to welcome thee with all their dare. All hail to thee, welcome new to thee today, O sun, today thou sheddest liberty. Bethink thee how the world did wait and search for thee through time and clime. Some gave up home and love of friends and went in quest of thee, self-banished through dreary oceans, through primeval forests. Each step a struggle for their life or death. Then came the day when work bore fruit and worship, love and sacrifice, fulfilled, accepted and complete. Then thou propitious rose to share the light of freedom on mankind. Move on, O Lord, in thy resistless path, till thy high noon overspreads the world, till every land reflects thy light, till men and women with uplifted head behold their shackles broken and know in springing joy their life renewed.
My would-be reformers, my would-be patriots, do you feel that millions and millions of descendants of the gods and of sages have become next-door neighbors to brutes Do you feel that millions are starving today? And millions have been starving for ages? Do you feel that ignorance has come over our land like a dark cloud? Has it made you restless? Has it made you sleepless? Has it gone into your body, coursing through the veins and becoming consonant with your heartbeats? Has it made you almost mad? And are you seized with that one idea of misery, of ruin? And have you forgotten all about your name, your fame, your wives, your property, your children? Have you done that? Because that is the first step to become a patriot. The very first step.
వివేకానందాయతి వరేణ్య అందుకొను మా వందనములు. వివేకానందాయతి వరేణ్య అందుకొను మా వందనములు. వివేకానందాయతి వరేణ్య. స్వామి నిర్మలత్వము నిలుపు చేసిన సాటి రానిది నీడు ప్రేమ మాటి మాటికి తలతు నిన్నే. వివేకానందా వివేకానందాయతి వరేణ్య అందుకొను మా వందనములు. వివేకానందాయతి వరేణ్య. అవని చూపి త్యాగశీలితాపహరణ. త్యాగ మహిమను అవని చూపి త్యాగశీలితాపహరణ. విశ్వమానవ శాంతిదాత. విశ్వమానవ శాంతిదాత. బ్రోవు నరవర ముక్తి నేత. వివేకానందా వివేకానందాయతి వరేణ్య అందుకొను మా వందనములు. వివేకానందాయతి వరేణ్య. సప్తఋషి మండలము నుండి అవతరించిన భానుతేజ. సప్తఋషి మండలము నుండి అవతరించిన భానుతేజ. రామకృష్ణ శేష కనికరముంచి గనుము దీన జనులను. వివేకానందా వివేకానందాయతి వరేణ్య అందుకొను మా వందనములు. వివేకానందాయతి వరేణ్య. వివేకానంద
You have spoken about our nation, its great culture and civilization, your ideas of nature, nation building. But how come you have never spoken anything about your master? Was he not just an ordinary priest who couldn't even speak more than a dozen English words?
Praveen, my brother, I can empty an ocean. I can smother a big mountain to dust. But this, I can't do this. I've never understood my master completely. I fail miserably.
Swamiji did speak about Sri Ramakrishna through a song that is sung in every mutt during the Vesper services. Not only did he write, he also composed the hymn in 4 styles: Drupad, Western classical, Hindustani khayal, and traditional bhajan. It is the best musical tribute one could pay to his guru.
शिव आरती
Ni
for certain that the work done by me is not the work of Vivekananda. It is his work. It's the work of Sri Ramakrishna. If this country has to rise, then take my word for it. It has to rally enthusiastically around his name. I place before you this great spiritual ideal. Judge him not through me, because I am only a weak instrument. Let not his character be judged by saying me. He is the method, that wonderful unconscious method.
जय विवेकानंद नामधारी प्रभु राम कृष्ण पद शरण जीवन जय विवेकानंद नामधारी रुद्र अवतार भैरव हुंकार रुद्र अवतार भैरव हुंकार ऐसे चराचर वारी प्रभु राम कृष्ण पद शरण जीवन जय विवेकानंद नामधारी प्रभु राम कृष्ण पद शरण जीवन जय विवेकानंद नामधारी प्रचारी निजदृप्त तव स्थिरकण्ठरव अभिरभिः मन्त्र प्रचारी नाशि भवामय धीरे वराभय नाशि भवामय धीरे वराभय निर्भय कोरि नर नारी प्रभु राम कृष्ण पद शरण जीवन जय विवेकानंद नामधारी प्रभु राम कृष्ण पद शरण जीवन जय विवेकानंद नामधारी तव गुण कीर्तन गाहे अकिंचन तव गुण कीर्तन चाहो कृपा नयने निहारी गाहे अकिंचन तव गुण कीर्तन चाहो कृपा नयने निहारी देहो पदाशय दीन दयामय देहो पदाशय दीन दयामय अपार करुणमयहारी प्रभु राम कृष्ण पद शरण जीवन जय विवेकानंद नामधारी प्रभु राम कृष्ण पद शरण जीवन जय विवेकानंद नामधारी रुद्र अवतार भैरव हुंकार रुद्र अवतार भैरव हुंकार ऐसे चराचर वारी प्रभु राम कृष्ण पद शरण जीवन जय विवेकानंद नामधारी प्रभु राम कृष्ण पद शरण जीवन जय विवेकानंद विवेकानंद नामधारी, जय विवेकानंद नामधारी।
My ideals can be put into few words, and that is to preach unto mankind their divinity and teach them how to manifest it in every moment of life. The human soul is a repository of infinite wisdom. The human soul is a repository of infinite wisdom. And the only way we can get our divine nature manifested is by helping others to do the same.
उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत हे मानव, उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत हे मानव, उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत। लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति तक तू क्षण भर ना रुक, चल मेरे साथी। उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत हे मानव, उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत हे मानव, उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत।
After so much austerity, I have understood this as the real truth, that God is present in every jiva. One who serves jiva serves God indeed.
तेरा लक्ष्य है आत्मदर्शन, तुझ में है अनमोल रतन।
तेरा लक्ष्य है आत्मदर्शन, तुझ में है अनमोल रतन।
क्षुद्र जीवन के इन कांटों में,
क्षुद्र जीवन के इन कांटों में
उलझ न
आगे बढ़ मेरे साथी। उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत हे मानव, उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत हे मानव, उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत।
Do you know how much energy, how many forces and how much power is still lurking behind that frame of yours? Behind you is an infinite ocean of infinite blessedness and power.
शरीर ये है ममता पूर्ण, इस भ्रम में कभी ना रहे तू।
शरीर ये है ममता पूर्ण, इस भ्रम में कभी ना रहे तू।
अमर आत्म है अमृत पुत्र तू,
अमर आत्म है अमृत पुत्र तू। अमलानंद से परिपूर्ण तू। उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत हे मानव, उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत हे मानव, उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत। लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति तक तू क्षण भर ना रुक, चल मेरे साथी। उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत हे मानव, उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत हे मानव, उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत।
Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached.
शृण्वन्तु विश्वे अमृतस्य पुत्रा, आये धामानि दिव्यानि तस्मुः। वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तम्, आदित्यवर्णं तमसः पन्था विद्यते उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत प्राप्य वरान् निबोधत.
Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached.
उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत प्राप्य वरान् निबोधत.
Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached.
उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत